Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here. I have my zine from last month from Katherine Benjamin, and I will put her link below to her channel. So please go check her out. She's also part of the Zine Craze collab that I'm involved in. So this is for last month. I'm opening up right now. This is for the month of, what month is this? This is August, so this is for July. Lord, I need to go sleep. But anyway, I want to show you what she did. So we've been swapping. She is from the islands, and she has been sending me some stuff. So how cool is that? So this one says, I'm going to show it both ways because this camera has been, when I say issues. So she stamped hello on some an index card and put some washi, inspire, just because this is cute and just for you. So I show it both ways, just in case. That was a neat idea. Thank you. Very inspirational too. And this says a snapshot of our life. So let's jump right in and see this beautiful zine. And oh, this one was the one she made about the kente cloth and the women in Africa who make it in the symbol of the culture. So these are some of our altar index cards. We use as note cards. Thank you, Miss Catherine. Look at this. I love that. Oh, wow. And she colored this too. I love the kente cloth. So I think she's always been, her zines are very educational. Excuse me. Let me turn it both ways just in case. So she's got these beautiful decorative backgrounds. And then you see the different African pieces on top, like the elephants. You got the shields. And gosh, I just forgot like the name of that tribe. I ain't gonna lie. I said the wrong one. Another mask. And I will turn it both ways. And a feather. And then the elephant in the back. So this is the June one. I'm going to open it all up so you can see all of it together, all the colors. Look at the beautiful colors. So this is some beautiful African prints. Their fabric and stuff is beautiful. My aunt, my mom's sister, my mom's the oldest, and then her second sister, she spent quite a bit of time in Africa, in certain countries in Ivory Coast, Mauritania. They were the two main ones, but she spent time in some of the other ones. But she started out with Peace Corps, and then she was a Vista deputy director over there. So it was just wonderful seeing some of the stuff that she came back, especially the ivory. She used to bring back from my cousin and stuff when we were young and not understanding, appreciating the value of ivory. But that was back in the 70s. We were little, but I still remember it. Anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I hope one day that I can go to the motherland and visit all the beautiful, beautiful things that Africa has. So anyway, check out Catherine's channel, and guess what? I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.